The wedding is in exactly 1 week from now. Happy Sunday, my besties. I'm so excited to be going to church today and also to be rocking this beautiful Olaido jacket by my fashion brand Adazempire. I'm sure by now it's sold out, but if you want to either support me or you just want to buy a very beautiful Ankara outfit, just search for thank you if you want to search for what was I saying? Anyway, just search for Adathempire and you would see an array of beautiful outfits just for you. Let's go to church. Don't stay in one place. Hey besties, I'm done with church. Church was very beautiful. And now that I'm back, in fact, let me just tell you the truth. I'm not going to vlog the rest of today because I have a lot of things I need to do. A lot. Like when I say a lot, I mean a lot. I have a lot of jobs I need to do on my laptop. I have, what else? I have calls I need to make. I have jollof rice I need to cook. I don't know if I'll cook it today. I have to book my nail appointment because I'm starting on my Biab journey. You don't know what Biab is? It's like builder gel. I was trying to book last night and the person I was trying to book with, guess what? Why am I touching my hair? The person I was trying to book with, guess what? Their next availability is in like 2 months time. Then finally, I will be watching Too Hot to Handle. So I'm currently watching, what season is this? Season 6. I also love that in this season there is Bad Lana and Good Lana. If you've not watched it, you can go on Netflix. Obviously, you have to be a lover of reality shows for you to enjoy it. There's something else I just finished watching. It's Lucky Wives and Lucky Wives Reunion. Now, if you are not on my Instagram, that's why you should just follow me on Instagram because all these movie reviews, it's on Instagram. I do it like on my stories. I'm always updating, always, every day, unless I'm having like a social media break. And I remember putting it there that the Lucky Wives or Lucky Wives Reunion, both on YouTube, is one of the most amazing Nollywood series that I've ever watched. Like, it's amazing. Start from Lucky Wives because that's the beginning, then finish with Lucky Wives Reunion. You won't believe that Lucky Wives came out in 2014, which is like a decade from now, but it is still and my favorite character is Uju. That baby is just goes. Not in a good way, but I really love her. Like, I enjoy her. I enjoy watching her. So that's basically what I have up for today. I'm going to try my best to carry you along. If not, tomorrow I'll just update you. Good morning, my besties. We are going to the gym. I'm so excited to go to the gym. My goal is to be at the gym 3 times weekly. Now, this is my 2nd time this week. I don't think I'll be able to go a 3rd time this week because my monthlies should be starting soon. So once that starts, I would most likely not be in the gym. As I went to the gym today, I just realized that this thing is hard work. It's not the easiest thing to do at all. However, the rewards are so great. I saw this Nigerian lady. I used to know her and I didn't even recognize her. She was the one that was telling me how grateful she is for being in the gym. She always wanted to trim down. She was always feeling very insecure about her body, but now the story is different. For me, my case is not about being big because I have no issues with my stature at all. I think it's just about being trim, having more defined abs and bigger glutes. I know I don't really show you the exercises I do, but that's because I'm very conscious of the people around me and I don't want them to feel uncomfortable. Hey besties, it is Monday and I have a lot of gist for you. But before I gist you, I need to go make my nails. If not, I'm going to be late for my nail appointment. So let's go get started on our Biab journey.
Finish them on fight us. If them they run them no feet catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No on they from say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me good in my fantasy. What they change if my dad be no wrong. But it ain't rush, whatever, it be much.
So now review. First of all, I think I would really go back there. I love the fact that they were very polite, they were very nice. I also love the fact that even though I did not tell them that that was my first time doing Biab, they were very understanding. It just felt like they knew what they were doing, and that I loved. At first I was really happy when I saw that it was a man that would be doing my nails, because the last time I did my nails professionally was when I was in Nigeria, which is a long time ago. In case you're watching me for the first time, I lived in Abuja, and in Abuja there are some group of men in the Muslim market that are very good in making nails. So the times I made nails, they were the ones that helped me make my nails, except on like odd occasions. So somewhere in my mind I've registered it that men that can make nails are actually very good. So as soon as I saw a man, I was like, oh thank God, and that was it. Now I picked this color off Pinterest. No, color qua. Red is my color, so obviously it will be red, but I picked this design off Pinterest. But I have some issues. Look at it. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. I did not like the round shape. I wanted it to be almond. Although I was excited that it was a man doing it, it didn't feel like he actually knew as much as the ladies. They looked like they knew what they were doing even more than him. So that's something I noticed. And even looking at the nails, although I'm not a professional in this thing, but I can see some parts that are not properly filled. And I was even trying to show him when he was doing it. I don't know if it's showing, but I can see that. But anyway, I think it works for me, and I think anything that is red would always work for me. What do you think about my nails, besties? Do you like it? Also, if you've ever done Biab, please give me advice in the comment section, because at this point I don't even know my way around this Biab journey. For now, I want to go to the African store to get some stuff. Hey besties, my order has arrived. So this is from Shein. Then this is another. I would like to open this one first because I'm a little bit more invested in this one. This one is one of my dresses and it's a dress I'm going to be wearing for Jumoke's wedding. So for Monica's wedding, I'm going to be wearing this very beautiful dress that was a gift from someone. But this one is for Jumoke's wedding. So she picked a color. She said I should get any pink dress with like spaghetti hand. Then I saw this dress on TikTok shop. Okay, no, it looks good. Looks good. This is what it looks like. I'm going to open the rest things I've purchased. Then I'll try this on and we'll see if it actually looks good. For some reason, after I buy things, I never remember what I've bought. Let me be bringing out these things one after the other. This is my greatest fail. Hope it fits me. Oh, it looks classy, besties. It looks classy. This is another thing. This is a skirt I bought. It's not for any of these occasions. I just realized that I need a black skirt for work. Okay. I got these sandals. I love it already. Size 39. Good. 5.5. I want to get like a very girly, summery dress for work. This is short too. Jesus. Hey besties, I've done a major F up. Now the funny thing is that when I was buying this dress, my mind was telling me, Ada, why not just buy another dress like elsewhere just to be sure? So look at the dress. Now it is perfect, exactly what I want, except here. I don't know why I did not think of the fact that my bust is bigger than the average bust for my size. And this dress is a milkmaid dress. I don't know if I should show you, but it's showing way too much. Like, I don't feel comfortable. I could wear it, but I don't feel comfortable. I don't have an issue with like a little exposure, but this is just too much for me. The wedding is in exactly 1 week from now. And it has to be like a pink dress. I'm not too happy. It may not be that bad though. I'm busy me that is just overthinking. I love it. I really love it. Besties, today I've learned the disadvantage of online shopping. The shoe is not stable at all. I can barely hold balance. It's already hurting me and I just wore it. Oh God. Shoe problem, dress problem. My head is aching and the wedding is next week. All the single ladies, hey, summer body, summer. So at this point, I'll just figure out what I'm going to do with the dress I'm supposed to wear for Jumoke's wedding. I may still end up wearing the dress. I may get a new one. I obviously cannot sew because it's just 1 week and I'm not going to put myself through any form of stress at all. I'll just decide what I want to do. I just got a carton. Let me show you. Carton of gifts for Jay and Monica. I really love them. I have no issues. I'm going to link up similar vlogs to this vlog right here for you to watch. And I'm going to see my besties in the next one. Until then, stay blessed, remain happy, and bye besties.